French voyageurs are an amazing part of the Minnesota history curriculum. I actually have been to Grand Portage in northern Minnesota and seen the replica of the rendezvous they used to have and the canoes they used to take. But something I didn't appreciate when I was up there is that the canoes that the voyageurs took were taken from the insight of the Ojibwe people, that the Ojibwe had taught the French how to make these canoes. Also, the French had to trade fur with somebody. Who was it? Again, native Minnesotans. It's an interesting part of how we study history is we tend to compartmentalize. In high school, when I learned about World War II, the chapter was completely unconnected to the Vietnam War. And only recently have I realized that these two are directly related to each other. So why don't we teach Minnesota history like this? We have 12,000 years of history here of people literally fighting mastodons and woolly mammoths. We have great peace treaties in wartime between the Dakota and Ojibwe people. And then we have collaboration leading to conflict and genocide during the Dakota-US War. This is a period of time that is worth sharing in the same narrative. And I've never quite understood why we compartmentalize native Minnesota history over here and then talk about mainstream Minnesota history over here. Should they all be in the same timeline?